Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to do the questions and answers of chapter 3 Journey to the End of the Earth. तो question number 1 है How do geological phenomena help us to know about the history of humankind? Geological phenomena such as drifting of land masses and their separating into countries help us to know about the history of humankind. A visit to Antarctica, around which Gondwana once existed, is like going back to past, as it gives us an understanding of evolution and extinction, ozone and carbon, where humankind came from and where it is headed. Question number 2 is what are the indications for the future of humankind? All thoughtless activities of humankind, such as increasing cities and megacities, cutting forests and turning those to concrete jungles, careless burning of fossil fuel, depleting ozone and increasing in carbon dioxide, and global warming, melting ice caps and shields, are battle means fight with other species for limited resources and other similar reckless activities point to a grim future of humankind. If concrete steps are not taken immediately, these drastic changes may lead to the end of the world. Now the question from Reading with Insight. Question number 1 is the world's geological history is trapped in Antarctica. How is the study of this region useful to us? तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जो हमने अभी किया है, जो जनरली एक क्वेश्चन हमने पढ़ा जिसका आंसर वही आंसर आप यहाँ पे भी रिपीट कर सकते हो. जैसे इसका आंसर है अंटार्कटिका holds half a million year old carbon track records in its layer of ice. It gives us an understanding of evolution and extinction, ozone and carbon. A visit to Antarctica, around which Gondwana once existed, is like going back to the past, witnessing and the geological phenomena such as drifting of land masses and their spreading into countries help us to know about the history of humankind. These are visible signs of where humankind came from, and it gives us a clear understanding of where human life is headed if we do not care of the environment actually. Seeing with our own eyes all these changes make us understand that global warming is a real threat. So question number 2 is what are Jeff Green's reason for including high school students in the Students on Ice expedition or program? Jeff Green feels that the students are the future generation of policymakers. They should be provided an opportunity to have this life-changing experience at a young age in order to foster a new understanding and respect for our planet. It would help them to absorb, learn, and act for the benefit of the planet. The youngsters still have the idealism to save the world, and they need to understand that it belongs to them. So, to sensitize them, it is important to provide them the visible life-changing experience. So, this question number 2, which we just discussed, is important one. Question number 3 is take care of the small things and big things will take care of themselves. What is the relevance of this statement in context to the Antarctica environment? So, this statement means that if small things are taken care of, big things will take their own care. There are tall grasses called phytoplankton in the southern oceans that use the sun's energy to assimilate carbon and synthesize organic compound by photosynthesis. Marine life and birds in the region sustain themselves on these tall grasses. Any disturbance in the environment in Antarctica might affect the activities of these phytoplankton, which in turn might affect the existence of the other life forms that depend on them. Small things like phytoplanktons are important in the food chain. So question number 4 is why is Antarctica the place to go to understand the Earth's past, present and future? So this is also very important from examination point of view. The author states that to understand the Earth's present, past and future, Antarctica is the right place to go. Antarctica is relatively untouched in this respect as it has never had human population. It is relatively pristine. It holds in its ice cores half a million year old carbon records trapped in the layer of ice. It embodies all that is prehistoric coralline folds and Precambrian granite shales, ozone and carbon, evolution and extinction. The simple ecosystem and lack of biodiversity indicate how little changes in the environment can have a big repercussions. Repercussion means causes, consequences. Our visit to Antarctica and witnessing the geological phenomena such as the drifting of land masses, glacier receding, and ice shelves collapsing makes us understand that global warming is a real threat. Hence, to study the Earth's past, present, and future, these factors make Antarctica the best place to go. So, these the question which we just discussed about this chapter. These two questions are very important. Question number 1 and question number 4. And question number 3 from Reading with Insight is also important in context to when we discuss that, like a proverb is there, a spark neglected burns the house. एक छोटी सी चिंगारी अगर उसको नज़रअंदाज किया जाए तो वो घर जला सकती है. So this is the apt example or saying which can be fitted with these microscopic phytoplankton, that how they are important in the food chain. So I think all the things are clear now, and with this hope that you must like this video. So please like, share and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you.